Look here, guys. You know why I'm bringing the suitcase? Because I just think say every night we are going to go out.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. All good things must come to an end. Lady G is on her way back to Paris. So we are at the Gare. So this is me and Lady G. I'm bidding her goodbye. So enjoy this video.
You're right.
So anyway,
What I can do,
guys, this is my final day. I'm going back to Paris. I came on my vacation to pass the Christmas with Charmaine, which I did enjoy to the fullest. I am so happy, and she treated me like a queen. I got everything I wanted and more. I just sit down and everything was served to me. And I am so happy, Charmaine laughed. So just want to say thank you, Charmaine. You are truly a friend indeed and a friend in need. I will be back. I don't know when yet, but I surely will be back because I love everything about Nice. I love you, and I thank you so much for all that you have done for me for my 2 weeks that I was here. So, thank you again. Love you, and bye.
that's great.
That's Lady G.
Yeah, that's me. You humble, you do.
Yes,
You're
it's
cute.
my friend. Yes.
So where are you heading to there today?
I'm going back to Paris.
Okay, that's good.
A friend in need is a friend indeed. Gloria is my sister. She's my friend. She's my mother. She's my aunt. She's my everything.
Yes,
You cared a lot.
yes, of course.
Yes,
Yes.
Putting it on us.
You like my glasses? Bought it in Nice. No?
Yes.
Yes, Nice. Aren't you going to say something?
Guys, I really enjoyed Gloria'S company. It was fun to have her here. I enjoy every moment of this. We didn't do much vlog because she was tired of me and my camera.
Oh yes. Every turn you turn is this vlogging thing. I have to put a stop to it, you know? Yes.
But
I enjoy it.
we enjoyed it, and I'm glad she enjoyed her stay with me too. So, if you ever want a vacation in Nice,
Come to
just
Charmaine.
book me.
Book Charmaine's house. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. Trust and believe me. Oh yes. Me think me gain about 2 pounds. Not lie. Yes. Because girl, yeah, everything was good. I ain't lying. Trust and believe me. I really did enjoy myself. I feel at home like it was my home. Yes.
And it is boring here.
Oh, I mean,
It
I
is
like.
very
Oh, look here. Show them the suit. You want to show them? Why? Look here. Nice is nice, but it was boring. I don't know if it's because it's the winter. When you see the suitcase, 2, and the only thing me wear is 1 jeans, and me change the top them, and the other rest of things them. But all of them clothes, them going right back as though them come. Can you believe? Me can't even tell my friends say me no wear half of this nothing nice suitcase, because them quarrel with me. Where you go with this a big old suitcase? Me say leave me alone because me want all my clothes them for wear and shoes. All the shoes them not even wear. Me couldn't did only carry that little black one down there. Look here, guys. You know why I'm bringing the suitcase? Because I just think say every night we are going to go out, and Nice is so lively and thing. Because I came here in the summer and it was good, but in the winter no. Look here, you see New Year's, we start just from New Year's Eve night, Me have a nice dress, charm of a nice outfit and everything. So we say we are going to do town now, you know. So we start prepare from 7 o'clock. 3 hours we prepare, you know. Oh my God, when we reach in a Niceville, not one Jesus Christ thing to do. No fireworks, nothing at all. We were so disappointed. We all go down for the sea. Swear so well, okay, maybe it's not in the Ville, it's down on the seaside. Nothing. You know where we end up? In a one chicken shop. We buy eat couple pieces of chicken and go home back on the train. Can you imagine? Big New Year's Eve in Nice. So guys, I don't think you want to vacation here in the winter time because you have nothing to do in Niceville on winter. Just to let you know, the summer is very good, but the winter, Lord of mercy, me not lie. Me say me crying on my heart. Nothing to do, you know. We have to end up eating chicken. Can you imagine? Yeah.
Anyway, she still enjoyed herself, and I still enjoy her company being here. My friend Gloria is on her way back to Paris on this train. Bye, Gloria. See you again soon. That's Gloria train, guys. Thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.